Hello everyone. Today we learn and write about speech on Chandrayaan 3. So let's start the video. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Today, I stand before you to talk about the space mission Chandrayaan 3. It is a very important mission in India. Chandrayaan 3 is the third lunar mission by the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. It was launched on 14th July 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. Chandrayaan is India's first lunar exploration mission. It was first launched on October 22, 2008 by the ISRO. Chandrayaan 2, the second lunar exploration mission, was launched on July 22, 2019. Chandrayaan 3 is primarily a follow-up mission to Chandrayaan 2. With the goal of soft landing a rover on the moon's surface. It aims to learn from the experiences and challenges faced during the Chandrayaan 2 mission to ensure a successful landing this time. The main goal of Chandrayaan 3 is to search for water ice on the moon. Chandrayaan 3 will also study the moon's geology, history, and environment. Chandrayaan 3 is a major milestone for India's space program. It will help India to become a leading player in a global space exploration. Big success for all Indians, that is Chandrayaan 3. Successfully touched down on the moon's south pole at 6:04 pm on Wednesday, 23rd August 2023. India made history by becoming the first country to reach the lunar south pole. Chandrayaan 3 serves as a great source of inspiration for future generations like us. As future scientists, engineers, and researchers, we have the potential to make significant contributions to space missions like Chandrayaan 3. Let us be inspired by our space scientists and take this opportunity to learn, explore, and contribute to the world of science and technology. Thank you. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe.